all my dear friends. Myself Zaid Mujawar from class 8 is here to host today's assembly. First of all, I welcome you all to a new day of learning and growth. Let's greet this day with energy and optimism. To start this day, it is necessary to know which day is this. So I'll call upon Kanak Bhandari from first standard to inform us today's day and date.
Saturday. The date is 3rd August. Before. Thank you. Have a great day.
Good morning. My name is Kanak Bhandari. I am speaking today. I am here to tell today's day and date. Today is dated Saturday. Today is dated 3rd August 2024. Thank you.
Thank you, Kanak. Every day comes with unique opportunities and challenges. It is not easy to overcome it. To make you confident and ignite the flame of inspiration, I would like to call Asya Jamadar from 3rd standard to motivate you. So please, Asya.
Good morning everyone. My name is Asya Jamadar. I am studying in class 3rd standard. Today I will tell thought of the day. Today's thought of the day is every moment is fresh beginning. Meaning it is never too late to start.
Thank you, Asya. A dose of news updates keeps you up to the date. So I like to call Anshul Patil from class 7 to inform us the latest happenings in our surroundings.
Good morning everyone. My name is Anshul Patil. I am studying in 7th standard. I am here to tell you today's news headlines. Today's news headlines are first, PM Modi meets Japanese speaker. His delegation discuss key areas of collaboration. Second, Paris 2024 PV Sindhu Satvik Chirag badminton green dash the third, defying or defending champs Canada stay alive. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you, Anshul. Every day is special on its own. Every day has its own history. So I like to call Ananya Kondade from class 6 to inform us today's history of the day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ananya Kondade, studying in class 6. Today I am here to tell you this daily history. First, National High School. Second, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar became the first law minister of independence in India in 1947. Third, National Watermelon Day. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Thank you, Ananya. Thank you, Ananya. In this enormous earth, there are a lot of things to be learned, and we should keep going on. So I like to call Achal from class 5th to introduce a new word to all of us.
Good morning everyone. My name is Acharya Kumar Kadam from class 5th. Today's vocabulary of the day is toxic. It means alert or warning bell. Sentence. The toxin ran out to the village to alerting everyone from the coming storm. Thank you and have a nice day.
Nowadays, English has become very important for our career. To speak English impressively, idioms play an important role. So I like to call Shraddha from 5th standard to introduce a new idiom to us.
A very fresh morning to one and all. Myself, Harshita Tejas Tambe from class 6. Today I am here to tell idiom. It's Greek to all meaning something hard to understand. Sentence. I have tried learning rules of the basketball, but it's all Greek to me. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Festivals celebrated on different days, but there is a special day celebrated by each one once a year. Today, our friend Naitik has his birthday, so we will all wish him.
Start.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shraddha. I am studying first standard. Thank you for celebrating my birthday. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Now it is time to wind up our today's assembly.